What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nye, as always. Anyway, whatever. So today I think I want to do I woke up and I was so tired of fixing my hair. Like, hold up, y'all, I'm watching Jazz and Tay. Let me pause this because okay. So yeah, I woke up this morning. I'm tired of fixing my hair. I'm tired of brushing. I'm tired of combing it. I'm in the middle of this transitioning from the relax to the natural because I want to get my hair dreaded. I want to get my hair locked. So right now I'm in the middle of transitioning. I think I'm probably like at least four months in. So we got a lot of new growth, but not much, and I'm always freaking trying to take the blow dryer and like blow it out. I don't know, but I know it's not good. The heat's not good for my hair. So I woke up this morning, went to the hair store because I want to do a protective style, just so I don't have to keep pulling and tugging on my hair. You know, I don't want to be bald, so I would bring you guys along for the little ride that we're about to take doing my hair today. It's not gonna be a long video, just something simple, just because I feel like I need to upload, and I thought this would be a great YouTube video. So I'm about to show you guys what I got. So I got this pack of Freetress. No, I got 3 packs. I got 3 packs of this Freetress wavy gypsy locks. I walked in and I fell in love. I thought these were so freaking cute. Yes, right here, can y'all see that? That's how it looks. It's a it's actually a 2-in-1 pack, and it was $9.99. I got 3 of them. I think 3 would go for my hair because I usually get like 6 singular packs, but since this is a double pack, I figured 3 would work. But if not, I'll just go back later and go get some more. Well, I got 2 packs of the 1B for my hair, and then I love color. Like, what is your hair without a splash of color? So I picked up this other pack with it's 1B 27. So you see the 1B at the top and the 27 color on the bottom. This one was $11.99, but oh well. Oh, I got this. I like to accessorize my my throat. I like to accessorize my hair. Like, anytime I do my hair, I love accessories. I usually get the little what you call it? I usually get these little gold hoops, right? These little gold hooks right here. But I didn't get any this time. Or I usually get like the little, can you see that? The little crowns. But I saw this, I don't know what it is. It's some type of braiding cord. And you see how it looks? Like, it looks so like rustic and stuff. Like, it looks like it gives you like this boho gypsy type feel. So I picked it up. I was like, okay, I'm feeling this. I can picture this whole look in my head. So hopefully it comes out right. Oh, and I got this comb because I need to part through these I don't want to say naps because people get so mad when I refer to my natural hair as nappy. It's not nappy, it's just very kinky, okay? I got very kinky hair. 4C kinky hair, I can tell already. But it's alright, girl. If you got 4C hair, it's okay because you still popping, baby. You still popping. It's okay. But anyway, I'm gonna just stop talking, and then I'm about to take this little bun out my hair. Woo! Okay, since I'm doing this little transitioning thing, someone told me to get this Shea Moisture transitioning milk. Can I see that? Yeah, this Shea Moisture transitioning milk smells so freaking good, and it actually has kept my hair super moisturized. But if you guys have any more products that I can try, please let me know, and I'm gonna make sure I check it out because I'm down for anything right now. And I heard Shea Moisture is very good, but I heard that that the black community was beefing with Shay for a little bit because of some little I guess what Shay was doing to the black community, to his black people. But right now, Shay treat me real good. So y'all boy, let me know if you rocking with Shay or not, cause. So you guys, I'm back. I went to get my blow dryer again and blow out blew up my hair some more just so it'll make it easier to braid. Oh, y'all say hey to Miss Ponytail. This is my go-to baby, when I want to rock a braided pony. She's right there sitting. She's sitting right here hanging on my door, and she got the hat to go on top. You already know how we rocking. I will be right back after I braid it down. I just don't want to show y'all the braiding process because it's boring, and yeah, but I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I finished braiding my hair. You see my little jailhouse braids. I don't know what type of pattern I did back here, but it's down. It's sewed down. I think I got about 12 braids. Oh, 1, 2, 3. I have 11 braids. I got 11 braids up here. I usually do like anywhere between 10 and 12 just because I don't want my head to be that. Of course you want it full, but you don't want it heavy. It's a difference between full and heavy, okay? Please learn the difference. So I got my hair braided down. I had to go on a hunt because I could not find my crochet needle. And well, we're about to get started. Y'all about to come along with this little process. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, please. I love you guys so much. So please subscribe. I love y'all. You love me. Let's be one big happy family. And let go. So you guys, I'm gonna finish up just a little bit more of these, and once I get back to this front, I'm gonna show y'all what I do with the front. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm almost done with my hair. If you hear background noise, it's my friend on the phone. She over here playing 2K and shit or whatever, but I got a good bit left, so I don't think I gotta go to the store again to get another pack. So I then got the, oh, let me show y'all the back. Like, I think it looks pretty cute right now. I'm really here for this gypsy boho look. What you call it? So I have the other one that I bought with the color with the 27 on the bottom. So I'm gonna put that in the front part of my head, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look at my fuzzy edges. Y'all, edges hurt so bad, so I like to do my edges first just to get it out the way. Just, you know, let's see. I can't see. Let me get in the mirror real quick. And right there on my hairline. And slide that right under. And there we go. Y'all, it blends perfectly. It looked like it just came right out my scalp. This about to be so cute. I don't know if I'm about to put makeup on or not when I finish this, because I don't got nowhere to go. So y'all just about to get the whole natural face me, because I don't got time. So when you get to the front, you got to make sure you put them closer together than what you would do in the back. So in the back, you would definitely space them out more. And then the front, you don't want to leave any gaps because that's the part that's going to be shown more. So I got the second one in. Y'all, I have literally one more lock left, one more, and it's a one space right here, just for it. God, that's how you know God's so good, because Lord knows I did not want to go back to that store. That thing like a 20-minute drive. I don't got time. So I'm gonna slip that right there, pull that through, pull this one through, pull that up. We are complete. Oh shit, girl, anybody ever told you was fine? If not, baby girl, you are fine. No. You so fine, I gotta pray over you. I look even fine if I had freaking makeup on. But you know what, you gotta love your regular old self, and that's what I'm about to do. I feel like it's not heavy, it's not full. These locks are super light, they're like feather light. So anytime you want to buy crochet anything, I always recommend the Freetress brand, because Freetress is amazing. They never let you down. The hair stays basically brand new, even after you already wore it for like freaking 3 months. Like, I had some curly crochet locks, and I wore those locks about 4 times, washed them, everything, and they were still intact. Freetress is amazing. Freetress is the bomb. I think I want the little coils in, but I actually like it right now, like without the coil. When I be doing that coil be so ugly. Look at it. I think so ugly. Let me take this shit out. You hear this girl back here calling me, I'm in the middle of doing something. She's so sick. What do you want? You want to tell YouTube hi? Say hi. Huh? Say hi. Attempt these freaking coils later. But I just want to get a video out to you guys. I love you so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know about some more transitioning products, because I told you, Shea Moisture, she coming through right now for the girl. But I know it's a lot of other shit out here that I need to try, so make sure y'all let me know down in this comment section. I'm gonna hit y'all up later. Bye. So you guys, I actually did go and do my makeup just because I wanted to give you guys that full effect look with the hair, and I think it looks really good. I did do a coil, just one. I'm gonna do some more later. I think it looks really good, but yeah, this is the full look, the full glam effect. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I hope you guys actually go try this hair, because it's bomb right now. I'm loving it. I'm gonna take some more pictures. I'm gonna take some pictures for the gram. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Let me know how I did, and you know, just comment, boost my head, just do something. I love you guys. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, because just because y'all love me, just because y'all really F with me. Hit that subscribe button right now. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.